In this video, we're going to be integrating a tangent expression using the tan double angle formula. The question is to find the integral of 6 tan of x over 3, all divided by 1 minus tan squared of x over 3 with respect to x. Having a tan in the numerator and 1 minus tan squared in the denominator should get you thinking to use the double angle formula. The tan double angle formula states tan of 2a equals 2 tan a over 1 minus tan squared a. Comparing this to what I'm integrating, I'm going to set a equal to x over 3. That would also mean 2a equals 2x over 3. Substituting in, the formula gives 2 tan of x over 3 over 1 minus tan squared of x over 3 equals tan of 2x over 3. In the question, the numerator has 6, not 2, so I'm going to write 6 as 3 times 2. So we get 6 tan of x over 3 over 1 minus tan squared of x over 3 equals 3 times tan of 2x over 3. So what we now integrate is 3 tan of 2x over 3, which is much cleaner. Now to integrate this, I'm going to use the standard result. With the value of k being 2 over 3. Now I'm going to integrate 3 tan of 2x over 3 dx using the standard result which I've written in yellow and substitute k equals 2 over 3. So the final answer, after simplifying, is negative 9 over 2 times ln modulus of cos of 2x over 3 plus c.